Hi everyone, before you start with the course, I just want to clear some of the requirements for this course. The first thing, you will need a laptop or a computer with the minimum of the processor i5 and 8GB RAM will be good. Right now I'm using i7 and 60GB RAM, which is good enough. But for sure, when you're working with very big projects, you will need more RAM and more processor. In this course, I'm using the latest version of the Photoshop, which is 2020, and I really recommend you to use the latest version of the Photoshop when starting with this course. However, you can use the older versions of Photoshop CC as well until 2016, but before that, try to update your Photoshop. Something that is very special for 2020 and I use in this course is this selection tool. It's object selection tool. It's a very good one. It automatically selects the object in your scene. So I really recommend you, if you can, to update your Photoshop and then start with this course. If not, it's still fine and you can follow like 95% of this course with the older version. Okay, see you inside the class. Thank you.